If you're trying to track someone's location using their phone number on Google Maps, there's actually a simple way to do it, but it only works if they share their location with you. Let me show you how. First, open the Google Maps app on the other person's phone and make sure they're signed into their Google account. Then, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner and go to Location Sharing. From here, tap on Share Location and choose how long they want to share it, like 1 hour or even until they turn it off. Now, select your contact and send the location using your phone number through a text message. Once you receive the link, just tap on it, and you'll be able to see their live location directly in Google Maps. You can also check it anytime by going into Location Sharing inside Google Maps. So, as long as the person shares their location with you, you'll be able to track it in real time. And that's it.